In this short video, I'm going to explain about using this particular app of AMC from Spain. And this app is called as Vibration Isolator Pro. You can download from your Android phone from Google Play. And this is an excellent app where anybody, even your customer at site, can measure the vibration frequency of any vibrating body or vibrating machineries and all that. And here I'm going to explain from our home washing machine, because the washing machine usually has a vibration, it vibrates. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do the vibration check. And here in this menu, just click start. Okay, there's a warning. You continue with two sensors. One is the internal sensor of the mobile phone, and this is the external sensor. And I click internal sensor, and there are three different ways in which you can place a mobile phone on the vibrating body or the vibrating machine. Now I am selecting this mode of keeping it flat, and I'll place it on the machine and click start. And it has completed the reading. And here you can see the vibration frequency, the three frequency that is spotted. So once we have this reading, send measurement, if you click, this goes to the factory, and when we communicate with the factory saying that okay, this is the reading of this particular vibrating this thing, then a recommendation is done depending on the type of machinery, which is the right product to be used in order to countervent this vibration frequency. And that is how we professionally and technically solve the vibration problem of any vibrating body.